I feel this one was very informative course, especially because it gave us different perspectives to think about when we are doing incident planning. For example, so far we were aware about the hostile threat actors only, so the non-hostile threat actors part not yet have explored until we came across this in this course. And also different parts of the nitty-gritty details are similar to the communication plan, and how are we able to communicate, and how a simple mistake in communication could cause the disaster at the end of incident plan. So this was very informative in that case. Yeah, thank you.